swimsuit is so lovely.
It was Mom's and she gave it.
It looked better on her than me.
Let's go.
Ready to go to the beach.
Ready, Smooch?
Yay. We got it. Yeah. Oh, okay. He says, I'm ready to go to the beach. Woohoo. Wow, Ethan, you're so strong. Look at those muscles. Oh, you're even lifting it. Wow. It's like he's got spidey senses or something. Wow.
Spidey strength.
Yeah, you are. Oh my gosh.
I gotta go get a wash off.
Okay, go wash off.
Good place to do it.
Oh, you guys got knocked over. You okay? Whoa, those are some strong waves.
It's like, this is my first time boogie boarding, and this is awesome! I'm so brave!
Oh, you guys are so cute. Are you showing Daddy the game?
Yeah.
So we were waiting to get this game. He was really wanting to add this one.
It's kind of a creepy game.
Is it? Oh, you guys.
He's a gorilla-sized guard. Oh, there's another one.
There's another one. What's up, beautiful people?
Hey,
we just got back from the beach and it was amazing.
So
just
fun.
felt so good. Sun's out, wind is blowing.
Which beach was it?
I don't know.
Was it Roseville
Inlet
Beach?
Beach? Inlet Beach?
Yeah, one close by.
Buddy.
Yeah. Now he's wanting to talk to the camera. It's so beautiful though. This is the first time in this area that we vacation, but it's so nice to be able to just meet up with our friends for a few days.
Seriously.
And it's so beautiful. And obviously the beach is super fun. We've just been hanging out and chilling all day, and the kids really want to go get some ice cream. We saw a cute ice cream shop just on the way.
There's
so
like two. We're trying to decide which one to go to.
we should try one today, one tomorrow.
Maybe we'll go to both tonight and tomorrow.
Yeah.
I won't be partaking, but maybe I'll have a
You've
bite.
been so good. He's been so good on his diet, guys. I'm so proud of you. Like, we ordered pizza and stuff for the kids, and Steven's like making his chicken and broccoli and all of that. And I'm just so
like,
proud
this
of
is
you.
so boring, but it will be worth it.
You're just doing such a great job. I'm so proud of you. And getting up early and like working out and all of that.
It's a good,
been really
it's a good workout today. I'm excited. So,
yeah. So anyways, guys, we're gonna go take the kids to get some ice cream here in a minute, and then some of the kids want to go back to the beach once the sun is setting. And I think the girls are kind of like done with it, but the boys want to go back and swim some more. So we were like, oh, we could go back, you know, at sunset.
You're definitely going back?
Yeah,
you did a
boogie,
really good job
board.
boogie boarding today.
Ethan, tell them how strong you were doing the boogie board.
I was really strong.
Can you tell, guys? We're letting him have like some screen time right now.
He's
so
addicted. So
yeah, we don't let them do it this much, but we're on vacation, and so they get to have a little bit of lenience there.
Yeah,
so.
for sure. So.
Yeah, Linky. Anyway, so the kids are just playing football. We're gonna go get some ice cream in a little bit, but I'm just loving it so much.
All the boys are playing football in the streets here. Oh, so close. He says, good job, brother. Good job. And it's a beautiful day. We've been playing hard today, haven't we, Linky? Are you tired? He's like so tired.
So guys, we've been having so much fun at the beach the past few days, just relaxing and hanging out with friends. It's been so incredibly refreshing. But I wanted to take a second and tell you guys about a brand that I'm really, really excited to be partnering with. Thank you, Warby Parker, for sponsoring this video. So I've been super intrigued about this brand for the longest time now, and I've heard nothing but great things about them. We have several friends who use Warby Parker, and they all have had really great experiences with them, and so I am really excited to be trying them out for myself. So guys, Warby Parker is committed to providing exceptional vision care both online and in stores, and they offer eyeglasses, sunglasses, eye exams, and contact lenses. And guys, they are super affordable with their glasses starting at just $95, and that includes the prescription lenses. And they also have sunglasses, progressives, and blue light lenses. It's literally the easiest thing ever. You just go on their website and you can take a personalized quiz where they ask you questions about your shape of face and that kind of thing, and then they can give you a personalized recommendation for which frames will look best for you. Then you just pick out your top 5 frames and they will send them straight to your door, completely free shipping, and you'll try them on for about 5 days or so and decide if you have one that you really like, but there's absolutely no obligation to buy, and they even include a free prepaid return shipping label, so you're absolutely covered. There's no risk at all. So this is their at-home try-on kit, and as you can see, it's so cute and very, very well organized. And they sent me my top 5 picks, and I'm gonna show you guys my top 3 really quickly. I have a few that I really like and one that I definitely like the most. So my number 3 pick are these really cute little smaller glasses with a little bit of rose gold along the top here. And the thing I love about these are they're super lightweight and almost feel like I'm not even wearing anything on my face. But they come in really handy when you're used to wearing contacts and you just need to give your eyes a break and just have something easy that you can put on, and I feel like these do that job really well. They're really cute, so that's a good option. And then my second favorite are these really cute ones that have tortoise shell on the top and they're blue on the bottom. I thought that was really cute, and these are Steven's favorite too, right? Are these your favorite?
Those. I saw them.
Aren't those so fun?
Pulling them out in there. Those are like my total favorite ones.
I know, I put these on and he was like, oh, you've got to get those. I do feel like these are kind of fun and a little playful.
I've been trying to get you to get some like turtle shell, whatever they're called, glasses for a while.
Like the thicker frames. He likes the thicker frames. So.
Guys, I have like absolute FOMO. I don't know, she may have already told you this, but
yeah.
Like I grew up wearing glasses, and like, you know, I tried to do contacts, I tried to do the whole thing.
Yeah.
So glasses was just it for me because I can't really touch my eyes. And then I got LASIK eye surgery, and like now glasses are so cool, and I'm just like, ah.
He like
I
wants
wish
to
I could
try
wear glasses. So like,
you could always wear them without the prescription.
I could just do like Warby Parker with no prescription, but then I feel that's like kind of pretentious, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know, but these are really cool glasses. I like them, and I like her #1 glasses pick.
Yeah. So this is my favorite pick here, and Reese too. I tried these on for her, and she said that these were her favorite. I like that they're kind of round. Kind of gives off like a little bit of a vintagey vibe or something. I don't know. They're really playful, really cute.
Very hipster.
Isn't that fun,
cute.
guys?
Dare I say sexy.
I really, really like these. These are super comfortable. They're really lightweight, and I
you
feel
could
like
be
they're
the
just,
ad. Like you could be the marketing materials for these glasses. Like
I love these. They feel so comfortable, and that is a big deal for me because I feel like it's hard for me to find glasses that like fit my face really comfortably, and so I was really happy that they recommended these to try on, because I don't think I would have gone for circle ones like just on my own.
And it's a win-win because it's also a tortoiseshell. You can't really see it.
Yeah, they are, but they're really
close.
thin. So I feel like that's like kind of the best of both worlds. So this is my favorite pick. I'm definitely going to be ordering these from Warby Parker.
Have you noticed that like every single time we do any kind of integration for like a brand that's wanting to work with us, we use the words best of both worlds? And I almost always want to sing Hannah Montana.
Hannah Montana, you're so funny. But it is the best of both worlds, and I love finding those products that, you know, that work really, really well for you. So I'm really happy.
I'm really happy. Whenever we heard Warby Parker wanted to work with us, we were like, oh, this is so cool, because I want her to have glasses so bad.
Yeah, I'm so happy about this, guys. So you guys can try Warby Parker's free home try-on program and order 5 pairs of glasses to try on at home for free for 5 days. There's no obligation to buy, and it ships free and includes a prepaid return shipping label. So try 5 pairs of glasses at home for free at warbyparker.com/MillerFam.
You want me to do it? I can do it.
Are you laughing at me? He's here, buddy. Yeah.
That is kind of crazy.
Alright guys, we got the burgers made for all the kiddos. They just finished eating, and so the adults are just kind of relaxing here in the living room on the couch, and Linky's taking a little rest.
We're gonna go get some sushi in just a minute too, because there's apparently a really good place right down the street.
Yeah, they skipped out on the burgers because they wanted to get some sushi, and my feelings aren't hurt at all. They're gonna have some girl time. It's gonna be awesome.
Linky wants to say bye so badly. We're telling him we're about to say bye-bye.
Linky, want to say bye?
Bye!
Oh, he's like, oh, gotta get a kiss. I've gotta give it a kiss. Watch. Oh, no, just
magazine.
magazine. Just gotta get that magazine, huh? He's like, I'm taking this with me. There you go. What are you doing, buddy? Oh, thank you. You're so silly. Love you, bud.
But before we go, guys, I want to introduce you to my friend Susie really quickly, because she just started a really awesome Instagram page as a lactation consultant, and that's really exciting.
Yeah, I've been a postpartum nurse and lactation consultant for 10 years, and my journey kind of started out, or my passion, I should say, in the struggle I went through with my daughter, and I went through a lot with that and want to help other moms who unknowns of breastfeeding, struggles, whatever story they've been given or whatever their goals are, even to pump and bottle feed, or I help moms in all different scenarios, people from all over the world. I've been doing virtual lactation as well for about 6 years, and so I also help moms all over the world, whatever their story is, and people can contact me through that. I'll also be sharing different tips and resources and whatever I can do to help moms. So I just love what I do. Definitely feels like a calling.
Yeah, it's so exciting because there are so many moms that struggle, and I remember back when Reese was a baby, I struggled so much. It would have been such an amazing resource to have that when I was, you know, a new mom, and so that's really cool that you get to work with so many moms and so many different backgrounds and stories and all of that. So definitely check out her new Instagram page, The Breast Nurse, which is, I think, such a cute name. I love that.
Yeah,
so we'll link it in our description box as well, so you guys can check that out. It's an amazing resource, and she's just the sweetest person on earth. And so
be happy to help all the moms.
Yeah, it's been such a good time, like getting to reconnect, because it's been like 10 years since we've seen each other.
Yes.
And our kids played together so much when they were younger, and so
Reese and Marlo were about 4.
Yeah, they were little. We have all these pictures. I'm gonna try to find this picture and put it up of the girls together. They used to dress up and just it was so sweet. We are gonna go ahead and close it out here and go to the beach again one more time for our last night, but we've had such a good time, and so we love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. See ya. Bye.
For your name's sake, you